Welcome to the year-end commencement exercises of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines for academic year 2023-2024. Candidates for graduation, if you are able, please rise. Processional. May I request everyone to please rise. Entrance of colors. The Philippine National Anthem, followed by doxology, to be led by PUP Bagong Himig Serenata.
Aming ligaya dapat may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Candidates from the Open University System, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the following bachelor's degree programs. From the Institute of Non-Traditional Study Program in ETIAP, Bachelor of Public Administration. From the Open University System for the year-end graduation for academic year 2023-2024. The graduation of this candidate was approved by the Academic Council and confirmed by the Board of Regents.
Conferment of degrees by University President Dr. Manuel M. Muhi.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Charter of the University and the Board of Regents, I hereby confer upon you the degrees for which you have been recommended, with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities hereunto appertaining. Congratulations at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Speaker by Dr. Manuel M. Muhi.
Ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon. Lakpakan po natin ang ating commencement speaker ngayong araw na ito, Honorable Congresswoman Estela Luz Alabastro Kimbo.
Today is not just a celebration of your hard work, but also of the love and sacrifices of your parents and loved ones. Sila ang unang naniwala sa inyong pangarap at sa araw na ito, kasama sila sa inyong tagumpay.
Distribution of diplomas by University President Manuel M. Muhi to be assisted by executive and college officials.
Graduates from the Institute of Non-Traditional Study Program and Expanded Tertiary Education, Equivalency and Accreditation Program. From the Non-Traditional Study Program, Bachelor of Public Administration, Marquez Walter Baraca. Expanded Tertiary Education.
Ngang malalim, damahin muna natin ang kaganapang ito dahil hindi lamang ito isang simbolo ng tagumpay, kundi isa rin patunay ng ating pagsusumikap, tiyaga at dedikasyon. Sa mga prosesong ating nalagpasan, sa bawat pagsubok na ating hinarap, at sa bawat panalo na ating nakamit. Narito tayo ngayon, suot ang ating mga toga, pinarangalan sa entablado ng PICC. Ngunit, hindi natin ito narating na mag-isa lamang. Sa likod ng ating mga kwento, may mga taong nagbigay ng kanilang suporta, pagmamahal at gabay. Kaya't nais kong anyayaan ang bawat isa sa atin upang pasalamatan ang ating mga magulang, mga guro, mga kaibigan, at sa lahat na naging bahagi ng ating paglalakbay kasama ang may kapal. Sila ang tunay na mga bayani sa ating buhay. Palakpakan natin sila.
Ating panoorin at pakinggan ang mensahe ni Dr. J. Prospero Popoy de Vera III, ang chairperson ng Commission on Higher Education.
Sa ngalan ng Commission on Higher Education, binabati ko kayong lahat ang graduating batch ng 2024. Isang malaking karangalan ang makasama ko kayo sa pinakamahalagang araw ng inyong pagtatapos.
The pledge of loyalty to be led by Honorable Regent John Paul Martires. Graduates, please rise.
Itaas ang kanang kamay at ulitin ang aking mga sasabihin. Ako na nagtapos ng kursong ay buong pusong nanunumpa na magiging tapat sa lahat ng panahon.
Ang lahat ay naanyahang tumayo para sa sabayang pag-awit ng himno ng PUP.
Sintang paaralan ng lauka ng bayan, pandayan ang isip ng kabataan. Kami ay dumating na salat sa yaman, hanap na dunay ay iyong alay. Ang layunin mo, makatao, dinarangal ang Pilipino.
Exit of colors. This concludes our graduation ceremonies. Once again, congratulations, PUPians. Batch 2024. Recessional.